Text Zach.
What would you like to say to Zach?
Hey, brother. Just thinking about you. Driving through Indiana on my way to go visit Gary, the doggo that was rescued and living on a farm up here. And I'm also, from there, I'm just heading out west in the van. Thought I'd give you a shout, say hello, miss you. Hope everything's going well. Love you, brother. Peace.
Send it.
This is my reminder to reach out to old friends that I haven't talked to in a while or seen in a long time. Ones that I really cared about but kind of lost touch for whatever reason. But they're still friends and you know they're still there for you. I'm going to be doing that a lot more. Gary is a rescue dog that I found in Austin, Texas when I lived in Austin. And some car had just dumped him in a park and then drove off. And he came running up to Frankie and I. And I did what any respectable, caring, compassionate human being would do. I took him in. Tried to find him a home. Took me a few months. And we ended up getting there, and he's with his forever home now. And we're going to visit him. I cannot wait. Made it to Madison, Wisconsin. We're at the Whole Foods, an old stomping ground. I used to do a ton of catering out of this store. And we catered Conscious Academy over, probably not too far from here, like 30, 45 minutes from here at the Frank Lloyd Wright House. Done many catering jobs there. We're only here for a little bit, do a little shopping, meet the guy that I'm going to be caravanning with, and then head out. Apologies, I don't have my microphone. I left the thing in my car. Oh well, Frankie's enjoying her walk. So we made it to, I think we're near Henderson Island or DeSoto Bay in Wisconsin. Camping for the night, met up with my buddy who has another van, and we are caravanning today. So we're both heading towards the Pacific Northwest. And the visit with Gary was amazing. It was so good to see him. He's such a little love bug. It was great. He recognized me in about 15 seconds. And then he was just all love and cuddles, as usual. He's a little still reactive on the leash when he's out with other dogs, so we spent a good amount of time just walking around the property. He lives on a beautiful farm. His dad loves him. He loves his dad. That's all I care about, is that he's well taken care of and living a good life. Can't ask for much more. Love that little critter. And thank you, Greg, for taking good care of him. He's got a heart of gold, that little Gary. It is beautiful here, a little chilly, but we got here late last night, probably 8:30. We drove about 6 hours. Yeah, it's a little more than I want to be driving, but we have a timeline to keep for now. And we're trying to get to a spot soon enough. I'll figure out what I'm going to be cooking soon. Maybe later on today when we stop, we'll see. Don't know where we're going to be staying yet. We got to figure all that out. for this evening, but got to take a shower, which is nice. And Frankie's been just loving it. She's like a worldly dog, man. She's been to England, all over England. She's been all over America. She's gonna have some good experience under her belt. Good girl. What's this? Guys. Been driving 2 days. Last night, I can't remember where I stayed, but I know I'll show clips of it before. But we made it to the Black Hills. That's where we're at right now. And this place is empty. It's pre-season. So we're just made some dinner. We did some Impossible burgers and some crispy tofu, eggy style sandwiches for tomorrow. Thanks, this way, this way, this way. And yeah, this place is gorgeous. But tomorrow, so we're pushing on to get to Jackson Hole. I got family there, friends there, stop there, and then we're gonna push on to Pacific Northwest. Yeah, sleeping in the van's amazing. Cooking is easy. I've just been traveling with my friend in his other van, so we're caravanning, so it's a little bit more difficult for me to shoot and just take the time I need. So I'll get back into that in a few days, spend a little bit more time. Just want to keep you updated, show you Gary. And that was a great visit. Yeah, I'm just tired. The road really takes it out of you, or I'm just old. Either one. Frankie will say I'm old. Thanks for waiting, Frankie. It's a long day of driving today, so I didn't really feel like shooting talking too much about recipes. I just made burgers and the tofu, which is super simple, guys. Just you know how to do burgers. You got this. Just an old trick from when I used to lobster fish, heating your sandwiches up, or soups, cans of soup, or whatever, on the manifold. It's not that hot, but it's warm enough for me. If you guys like this video, don't forget to check out these videos right here, because I got plenty in the bank. If you want recipes, they're there. This vlog style is all new. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for taking care of each other.